He can hit this? Yeah. This guy's a superhero if he makes this.
This is a 61-yard field goal attempt.
I'll freaking give him my paycheck. I'll give him my game check. He makes this.
Whoa! Whoa!
Hold your breath. Ball is spotted. The kick is away. And the kick is... It's good!
You son of a gun!
And the Eagles win! 61 yards! The longest kick in Eagles history!
Let's go!
Let's get this show going, man.
Hurry up, hurry up! Hurry up!
Hurry up! Hurry up!
You tired? You tired? Don't get tired on me.
You got more left, don't you?
A whole lot, Coach.
I thought so.
That was warm up. We warming up.
Come on, Jimmy, go, Jimmy, go, Jimmy, go, Jimmy, go, Jimmy, go.
Hey, hey, you see them moves? You see them moves?
Damn! Turtle, that running back broke my ankle so bad. He broke my ankles. You know what that means? So in basketball, when the guy crosses the guy over, they say, "Oh, you broke your ankles because you." Right, my ankles are still in the field, so I might need to get an ankle replacement.
I saw that.
Yeah. I mean, that don't happen often, but next series I gotta make sure I go recover my ankles.
Yeah! I'm a rock star. I'm a rock star. They don't like that. They don't like when you clown on them. No. Oh, don't do it. Please don't do it.
Come on now. We're going to have action soon. We're going to have action soon.
Oh.
You the best player. He gotta throw you the ball, bro. You the best player.
DJ. Fast. Ooh, Lord have mercy. What's up?
Damn, DJ!
Well, you know I'm strong.
You holding!
Okay. You better get your signs up, little boy. Too small, baby.
Hey, come back again. Come back again. Oh, wrong person, wrong person. I thought you was him. You good. You gonna be all right.
Right here. It ain't going nowhere. Yeah, because I get picks, you ain't got none. I get picks, you got none. Come on. You right here. Come on. Come on. Pay attention, man. Here they come. Wait, take.
You're wrong, boy. Pass is caught out of bounds by Antonio Brown.
Man, no, you know you got that second foot down, bro.
I got both of them.
It ain't look like it.
I tried it.
Really on the field is a catch.
You know I'm Tony Toe Top. You know I'm Toe Top.
Hey, 36. I ain't never seen you before. Hop. Better go tell the coach you need some help. We gonna expose you, boy. All right, we coming at your ass.
Savage looking, fires deep right side, and the pass is intercepted. LaShawn Sims. LaShawn Sims. What a catch by the kid who graduated from Andre Agassi Prep in Las Vegas, Nevada. I liked his odds.
Hey, what that technique down there? You pull, where you pull, right here?
Yeah.
What that was? Boy, your ass got some technique, boy. You ain't show me that this summer. Where you pull me right here? Hey, get your ass out of here. Hey, where you put me right here?
What don't worry about my
Hey, something funny, something funny.
Russell drops the ball on the first play. Garoppolo under center, fumbles the snap, falls on it.
It's so simple, but it's hard, man.
Snap to Glennon, goes off his knee, it's bouncing around, the Packers have covered it.
How embarrassing is this? Absolutely atrocious.
Ahead and runs into his own man.
That's terrible. Come on. Guys, it looks silly. Come on.
The Bears are going to get a touchdown out of this.
And Vance McDonald stripped him before the goal line.
Oh, what a dope.
Can't do that.
That looks like a real snake right there.
I thought he was too. I was scared there for 2 seconds.
You're a taste, oh, you scared.
Hey, Wildcat.
Ball
Triple
at the
right
5,
bunch,
third down and 2 for Atlanta.
Solid one, ready? Right there. I caught a lace. That was bad.
Hey, Bill! Bill! Hey! Bill!
Hey, Bruce! Hey, Bruce!
Bill! Bill!
Hey, Bruce! Hey, Bruce! Bruce!
Wentz with time, unloads a pass to the near side. It's nearly intercepted. Now it's in. Caught!
What just happened? What just happened? Wow. It's one of them days, fellas.
Tyrod takes, fires into the end zone. The pass is caught for a touchdown on the tip pass.
We are very, very fortunate.
Here's Ryan delivering the football, and it's tipped up in the air and almost intercepted it, maybe. It came down on the back of the defender. It's Marshawn Lattimore who picks it off his teammate's back.
The ball never hit the ground. It landed on him.
The ball was just resting on his butt.
On his butt. I've never seen that before.
It's the buttception.
Let's go have some fun, bro. We ain't got to talk about too much.
Let's go have some more fun, Sharon.
We just having fun and we working, baby. That's it, baby.
But the thing that I don't see out there is I don't see you having no fun. Have some fun, man. Hell, we got a whole another half in the rest of this quarter to finish this game. Have some fun. If it gets to a 40-point game, I'll dance a little bit. That's what I'm talking about. Now you're having some fun.
Look at them all together. It's a good orchestrated dance there.
But how about the A? I tell you, that vertical jump is back, man. It's back. How's your hamstring feel? Man, if they feel as good as mine, you're ready to go. Let's go. I can be jumping. I might jump 20 inches today.
He literally jumped all the way over the kicker.
I want to get a little.
Jumps over a man after the 45.
Oh! That's
Todd Gurley goes high hurdles on Bashaud Breeland to score it.
All right, let the headsets fly. Let's go. We got a date.
Hey, what's the celebration? What's the celebration today?
Pickle. Getting a pickle between the two pylons. Like a rundown. You know what a rundown is?
No.
You got people are stuck in the middle.
Stand back. That's it. Damn, man.
You know what I'm talking about? A rundown in baseball. When the guy picks him off and he gets in the middle of the two bases.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So the bases are the pylon.
Oh, okay.
Leonard Fournette is going to walk into the end zone for a 5-yard touchdown.
Post-touchdown celebration. Leonard Fournette is lined up at the free throw line. That was pretty good.
That was very good.
Make a snow angel! Make a snow angel! Make a snow angel!
And snow angels for Trubisky and the fellas.
No, not cha-cha. We're doing the electric slide, my fault. The electric slide. Go.
Little game of hide and seek. Count to 10 and come find me.
That's fantastic.
I got to give this one major style points.
And the Texans do a relay race celebration, passing the baton.
That was a funny one right there.
Yeah.
Latavius Murray, these dances and these things that they do at the end is just absolutely fantastic as a group, as an offense. Here goes the dance.
Good celebration.
And a walking race by the Packers receivers. But then they had a potato sack race for their touchdown celebration. Potatoes for everybody.
Leapfrogging, and we just swept over Washington.
I love these team celebrations.
He lined up the team like they were bowling pins, and they all veered over to the right.
Outside. Hey, you gotta run the ball, baby.
Tell Ashland when he's bowling, he's got to use the ball.
That's what I told him.
Attention to detail.
Still there.
We can throw it back.
Hot water. Woo!
This ain't water. It's some water.
Did you pee in that water? Get some of that high quality.
Gotcha.
Facing his former team,
Damn, cuz. Need some chicken noodle soup. What's that?
Broth, tea, and chicken, and hot chocolate. Tea? Broth, tea, and hot chocolate. This is passion fruit tea.
It's like wine and cheese. Where's the salami?
Want anything?
I'm good, thanks. I hurt my stomach. Hey, T. Let me get some of them Skittles.
Let's go.
Right up. Hey, Rev, you okay? Good, bro. Oh, I thought you wanted some Skittles. You want some Skittles? You okay. My guy, how you doing, baby? Hey, Walt, how are you? Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Good.
I hadn't officially spoken, so
Oh,
I
yeah,
just
Sarah,
wanted to
yeah.
say if you need me, Coach.
Thank you. Okay, got it. Thank you.
If we have anything during the game you want to talk to me, tell one of my guys off on over. We'll talk about it.
All right. Sounds good.
I guarantee you'll like my answer, but I'll at least give you an answer.
Probably not.
They got 12 on the field.
No, that's a penalty.
He wasn't playing the ball.
It's holding.
Clip. It's a clip.
Holding.
Oh, man, come on, ref, come through. How is that not called?
Ref ain't gonna call a damn thing.
Thank you.
Hey, can you measure it? Can you measure it? Can you measure this?
We already moved it, Coach.
I don't know.
tell you, the ball's sitting right there. Just go out and measure it. I want to see if it's 2 inches or a foot or what it is.
What is the delay for? He's standing right there.
He's taking a card out. He's a piece of paper.
It's that close? Dear Lord. He's still first down, Dallas. This is $1 billion industry, and you're coming down to that.
No way. No way.
I told McCoy on the play before the touchdown, his block was key because he got the defender to go low.
Yeah.
And it was right in the passing lane.
Is that right?
Yeah, it was the one before the touchdown. Terrific block.
You're a better coach than I am, man. I like it.
Who you caught it on? Who you caught it on?
Did he catch that? They called this incomplete. I think he caught that ball.
They called him out of bounds. That was a good ass catch, though. Damn, you ain't gonna salute my catch. Damn.
10, walk. I need you to walk. I need you to walk your way. I need you to walk your way.
I got you. I'm my boy. I was going down.
Okay, but walk your way. I am.
Jerome, you didn't invite me to your wedding. I'm mad at you. How you not invite me to your wedding?
Just gotta throw it up. Throw it up.
Stafford throws deep down the right side. Marvin hauls it in.
Gronkowski makes a twisting one-handed catch.
Oh, superhuman.
No, I'm activated. I'm ready. I'm trying to make some miraculous happen.
Hopkins with the juggling grab. Does he make it?
Yes! He actually backhand tipped it.
1, 2. That's a drag.
It's a hell of a throw and a catch, I thought.
Looking, floating it down the right sideline, looking for Mo Harris, and a one-handed catch. What a grab by Mo Harris, one-handed at the pylon. Wow.
But it had great coverage. This is a great ball. Go beat you. Ooh, look at that ball.
He whips a pass, end zone. Circus catch, no. Out of the back of the end zone, incomplete.
No. That's a catch. That's a catch.
There's not a lot of Damiere Byrd, but does enough of him land in bounds?
He's got control. He's got a small ass. He's got a narrow ass. Yeah!
Your ass is this big. I know. Hey, it paid to be small sometimes. That was amazing that you landed in bounds. Hey, butt drag swag, buddy.
All right, two things, Williams. Two things. I'm gonna help you out with your grip here in a second because that's janky. But number two, when we run that third play and Marv runs the go, I always get scared that Tavon's gonna hit him. So we gotta just have a good plan. I'll always throw him outside. You always throw Tavon kind of inside it. All right. That grip's.
Ryan up in the pocket.
Good pocket. Hey, great pocket. Hey, that was you guys. I took forever. Nice job.
Great route. Just don't turn your head so fast. You're in a great route. We're just a hair off. I was thinking lead you a little more. You were thinking slow.
Give that hit step and then bend it in front of this guy's face, okay? And I'll just put one on you.
All the time in the world, going to grow deep down the near sideline, and it's caught in a diving reception by Michael Thomas.
Hey, now we're awake. Now we roll. Hey, now we roll.
Mariota takes the snap. Stepping up, he can run this thing. Instead, he'll pull it back. He'll sneak around the edge to the 45, stiff arm 50, 45 and down. My goodness, the young maestro is special.
That's my quarterback.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching an incredibly special player. Watson in trouble, gets away from a sack. Watson throws to the end zone. Caught! He does it again! Houdini!
That's incredible, man. I don't know how you do that. I really don't. Here, going up. Here.
I would have pulled every muscle in both my groins if I tried to do that.
Wait, son! Good tackle. Good tackle, Jimmy.
Hey, slide, man. What's going on? Dropping your shoulder.
I wasn't quite sure where the first down was.
You ran like 20 yards.
Yeah, and sometimes when you slide, they still pop you.
Yeah.
You get in a vulnerable spot.
That shoulder work about 200 million right now.
Yeah, right.
I love it.
I love it. I love it. I just get nervous.
No, I hear you. Smart. Just keep communicating. They're going to bring all sorts of junk. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. Long game. Long game. We're all right.
What's up, baby?
Might have been a little late. Hands up! I mean, come on! I'm blocking. You can't put the block in. So late.
I think that definitely should have been roughing.
Well, I mean, come on.
He ran over Andre, put Andre on his back, and then continued on to you.
I said, what is that? He goes, oh, he was just coming off the block. Yeah, yeah, and he ran right into my back. What's that? Just about every game is like this, man. They're never light and easy. That's what makes it great, man. That's what makes it great. Hey, let's go score, let's finish! Hey, we're in field goal range, but we're not settling for 3. We're freaking scoring a touchdown.
Come on, win the game. We're gonna win this game.
Huddle, let's go. Why are you walking? Why are you walking? Here we go. 180! 180! 180! 180! Let's shoot!
Pocket collapsing, throws to the end zone.
Yeah! Throws it over the middle track, running away to the 40. He's gonna go. Woo! Rod Smith into the end zone.
Let's go! From his own end zone, he winds up and deals down the middle. At the 50, it's hauled in, Robert Woods.
No, sir! No, sir! No, sir!
Touchdown, Robert Woods!
What's your shot?
Let's on second down, fires, and it is incomplete. He had Zach Ertz wide open and threw it a little too hard.
Hey, again! We're coming back to it. Hey, we're running the same play. Come on, Ertz. Hang in there now. What's your shot?
Back goes Wentz again. He fires, and it is complete for a touchdown.
Yeah!
Same guy, same play.
Zach Ertz.
That's what it is, baby. That's what it is. Good job. Way to come back. How many tackles you got? You do? I got 1 tackle.
Good legal hit on that quarterback.
Thank you.
That was really good.
Let's go!
He went through my soul. This defense nasty, dog. I gotta tell you.
Look, on the pass now, we're going to get on these guys. We got to crush the pocket, all right? We got to handle the quarterback up front. We got to handle the quarterback. We'll be on the receivers. We can't let a quarterback draw us or scramble, all right?
Hey, keep whacking them boys, bro. They do not like that.
Everybody's going to eat.
Your faces a 4-man rusher. Comes by Miller's got him, and down he goes.
Hey, that's a good rush. That's the way to crush the pocket. Nice job.
We got to get a turnover.
Right, man.
We need a turnover, man. We need a turnover.
3rd and 8 at the Redskins 39. Need a stop here. And it is intercepted.
Pickett
has got some time, throws right side, and it's picked off.
Jonathan Joseph up the left side of the field, the 50, the 40. J-Jo, pick 6. Jonathan Joseph.
Yes! 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 That a baby! That a baby! Woo!
You got it? Decline if they call it heads, and then if the other one goes, then they'll go the other way. And if they get it, then we'll just defer it. And then if they defer it, then we'll get it. You good? You got to go.
Who talking?
He is. I already hit him up.
I'm about to say.
I got him so bad.
Hey, pay attention now.
Hey, let's talk and communicate.
Alert motion.
Let's stack option.
Hey, left. Move right. Right.
Same stuff. Same stuff.
Do you want to do something aggressive? Yeah. Let's go.
Y Mo to bunch left, Al Pacino. All right? Y Mo to bunch left, Al Pacino. Let's go 11 right here. 11. Y Mo to bunch right, Robert De Niro. Y Mo to bunch right, Robert De Niro.
We're going to go X hustle the flank right. I'm not talking to Dez. I'm talking to you, but I'm not. Hey, Dez, listen, but don't pay attention.
Hey, hold up. He's 13.
We're going to go 13X. Dez hustle. Let's go X hustle the flank right snug. Let's go quick scat right. Y stick Houston. Tell 87 he's got an inside Houston.
Take one power pass here, man. I know. I'm scared.
Me too. So we're going to
Lance, you're out. Tyler, you're out. It's absolute mayhem on the headset right now. Hey, Tupac, Dusty, Tupac, Obama, Ric Flair.
Fire wavy left, short sail, X glance.
I like it.
You like that one, Nick?
I like that one.
Yeah.
I like that one.
Okay, so you have the short sail.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, to the
All right,
right.
see you guys.
We're seeing too much. Okay? See a little, see a lot. See a lot, see nothing. Okay?
Somebody got to go get number 3 now. One of you guys have to go and pick that thing. Who's going to go get it? All right, go get it then. Here we go, baby.
Who got that?
All right, let's see it. Everybody play naked. Butt-ass naked. Everybody play butt-ass naked.
That's how big-time teams play in this environment. All right?
Might have to come out quick. Be smart. We got a field goal.
3rd and goal from the 3. Deshaun fakes to give, throws to the end zone. Caught DeAndre Hopkins. Touchdown, Houston.
I don't think we're in the right formation there.
Was it?
No. I don't think we're in the right formation. That should have been 8 sniff, right? 8 sniff. All right. Good job. Good drive. Keep playing smart. No turnovers.
I was thinking since we was on that hash, we wanted
No, when I tell you, no, listen. Yeah, this is me and you really getting to know each other. I got a gut feeling about certain things, and I don't care about the hash a lot of the time. Like, I really don't care about the hash. I just want to get this play called because I know this guy don't have me. You know what I mean? Okay, good job. Oh, good job. Hey, good job.
Hey, great job.
7-1 play. Yes, sir. 7-1. You guys. It's all you. It's all you.
All together.
You got to overcome your coaching
All
every now and
together,
then.
baby.
Nice job. Good work.
I love these unis. You look so handsome.
Thank you. I love you. Go whoop some ass, huh? It's be a good one.
Let's be great, baby. Let's be great. Come on. Let's be great. Let's go. Let's be great. Let's go. Let's be great, baby. Let's go. Let's be great. Come on, let's go.
This would probably be a horrible time to mention I gotta pee.
It's about time. How good you want to be? From play 1 to the last play, we fighting. Today's about opportunity and character. We got a chance to come out here and play football. It's a blessing.
Hey, every season is full of defining moments. Let's make this day a defining moment for us in our quest. Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
We are ready to rock in Houston.
No, that Eagle's not playing around.
Damn it. No.
Chiefs marching. Play action fake. Alex Smith in the painted Arrowhead. Throwing long. He wants Tyreek Hill.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
We're going backwards, damn it. Let's go. Before I lose my freaking mind, we better figure this out. Let's go, offense. Pull your head out of your ass.
I'll tell you you're thirsty, so drink some water.
Pissed off, I ain't thirsty.
Just settle in, we're all right. Just settle in, nice and easy, can't beat ourselves.
You hang in there, and you hang in there, and you keep playing tough.
I know for a fact I'm a great player. God gave me a lot of ability, but this team makes me so much better. Amen, it's like it makes you and everybody else better. Together, can't nobody with us. Amen.
Come on, baby, let's get it.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Crowd incredible today, making tons of noise.
This is what we've all been waiting for.
Stand in the chest. Stand up on them. 20 seconds.
Touchdown!
And just like that, the entire game changes.
You gotta be kidding me!
Looks, fires, touchdown!
Oh, what a ball game. Hey, man, we're playing like a group of ballers.
It, baby. One more what you want to do. One more what you want to do. This is the best job in the world. This is the best job in the world.
Well played, man.
Good luck, big guy. Yeah, keep firing there.
You too, man. Good to see you. All right, Fitz, man. Good to see you. These your boys?
Yeah, these my boys, Brady and Tate.
Yeah, what's up, guys? Who was the one who is the math whiz? That this guy right here? That's you. I love it. All right, nice to meet you, boys. All right. In the throat.
Wentz in the gun. Wentz goes to Ajayi up the middle. He's at the 30, the 40, the 50. Ajayi at the 30, the 20, and tackled at the 15.
Bring your slow ass over here.
Get your ass over here.
You slow as
There you go.
They're going to lower my speed on Madden.
Yeah, you about to be a 70 on Madden.
I look like I was moving those.
No.
Drop 30. Drop 30.
Unhook the trailer. Your slow ass. That's a damn shame. You would embarrass me.
You done? Yeah.
That was a good ass run. That was a good ass run, though.
You make me feel so bad about myself.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You want to hug it out?
Dang, man, you made me feel so bad. I know I'm not there yet. Dang, I'm working on it.
We turn it up a little bit. You need even more. You want it even more? More. Right? It doesn't feel that hot to me. You think it is?
I can't feel my hands.
Yeah, I ain't cold. My hands.
I forgot it, bro. I literally can't feel my fingers, bro. Hey, Bill, I don't have any hand warmers yet. You go. I got some. In a little bit.
We have an incredible snow squall going on here in Orchard Park today. We've got leaf blowers out there trying to uncover the yard lines.
Here we go, fellas. Beers on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Woo! It's crazy. I can't even see the 10. What's the 2 in there? Buffalo weather. Man, this is crazy. Man, I ain't never seen nothing like this. Playing in the snow. I would have had some fun running around.
I feel so hard, face first into the snow.
The Bills survive a late rush by the Dolphins, and their fate is on the line at M&T Bank Stadium in Baltimore now.
Great win, man. Time to see what happened around the league now. We're trying to get in these playoffs. You know what I mean? We'll see what happens.
Good job, man. Proud of you, buddy. Appreciate it. Go stand tall. Good job, man.
And of course, Bills fans now rooting for the Cincinnati Bengals.
Hey, get the game on the TV in here.
Buffalo Bills have just sealed the win in South Florida, so it is up to the Ravens now. The Ravens in front, 27-24. Dalton takes the snap, throws it complete midfield to Tyler Kroft after a short gain, looking at a 4th down and 12. Season on the line, playoffs at stake on 4th down and 12. Andy Dalton takes the snap, steps up, fires down the middle, complete! At the 15-10-5 touchdown, Cincinnati.
Silence in Baltimore, Panamanium in Buffalo. The longest drought in the 4 major sports of not making the playoffs is over. The Buffalo Bills are going to the playoffs.
Playoffs, baby. Playoffs. Playoffs.